Welcome to Master's Touch Carpet Care, Fresno's leading commercial carpet cleaning company. Most people clean carpets when they look dirty. Rarely does anyone recognize that their carpet needs to be cleaned for health protection. Yet every time pollutants are extracted from the carpeting, the quality of the indoor environment is enhanced by reducing exposures. The Master's Touch Low Moisture Cleaning System combines orbital vibration and soil encapsulation technology to clean your carpet from all directions. Our carpet cleaning always leaves 0% residue and leaves your carpet 100% clean. Our approach brightens traffic areas, gets rid of odors, stains and spills, and removes allergens and bacteria. Master Touch Carpet Care has been family-owned and operated by Brent and Terry King since 2007. Our technicians are extensively trained and well-equipped to identify, evaluate, meet and exceed all of your commercial carpet, upholstery, tile, stone, and leather cleaning needs. Master Touch Carpet Care is an IICRC certified firm and is Fresno's leading commercial carpet cleaning service. Call us today for a free estimate.